stuff take. Ow.
Here is an urgent message from the National Weather Service for the following counties in California: Shasta and Tehama. The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Shasta County in Northern California. This includes the cities of Shingletown, Palo Cedro, North Central Tehama County in Northern California until 6:15 p.m. At around 5:18 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing nickel-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Anderson, or 6 miles south of Palo Cedro, and moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Millville by 5:30 p.m., and Wood by 5:50 p.m., 8 miles northwest of Shingletown by 5:55 p.m., Whitmore by 6:05 p.m. In addition to hail and potentially damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. When thunder roars, go indoors. This storm is capable of producing heavy rain and ponding of water on area roadways. Motorists should slow down and exercise caution.
Narwhals swimming in the ocean, pretty big and pretty wide.
Check out Sprint's Unlimited plan. Unlimited data, talk, and text for just $50 a month. Switch now and we'll even buy out your current contract. Visit us online.